Insurance on the homeowner's best friend.
Basically, any kind of damage that could occur to your home, you guys have teams and crews trained to bring it back into manageable living space.
Yeah, we call it pre-loss condition. So that's our goal. And oftentimes we tell people it'll be better than it was because the paint will be fresh, the drywall will be new, right? So we're not upgrading anything, but just the fact that it's all new oftentimes leaves them in a situation where it's actually better than it was before.
And if somebody took this opportunity to do an upgrade, does that work, or you guys, that's completely separate? No, we bring it back to pre-existing condition, and then you've got to go find a general contractor to bring it to.
We definitely work with them on those because it makes a sense to do it right during that time. Sometimes that's a barrier to progress because people might not have been thinking about an opportunity. All of a sudden, here we have this construction project in their home now that they didn't plan on. And then they start thinking, if you guys are here, what about this? What about that? And so we walk them through that process and we integrate any of the plans that they may have along with ours. Now, having said that, it's important to note that the insurance is not going to pay for those upgrades, and the insurance is not going to allow additional time for the work to be done. So anything above and beyond that is on the homeowner's responsibility.